to shadows on my wall. They listen better than you all. My smile's just makeup on my face. I'm wide awake but lost in space. I count my breaths like broken clocks. Every second never stops. You say I'm fine, you say be strong, but you don't hear the quiet noise. I'm screaming softly, can't you see? I'm drowning in what looks like peace. My heart beats loud in silent rooms. I'm fading slow but hiding smooth. I wear my fears like second skin. Let them crawl, let them sink in. I laugh at jokes I don't believe, just to give you what you need. My thoughts are sharp, they cut me deep. I'm tired but I never sleep. You say relax, it won't destroy, but you don't hear the quiet noise. I'm screaming softly, can't you see? I'm drowning in what looks like peace. My heart beats loud in silent rooms. I'm fading slow but hiding smooth. If I disappear tonight, would you notice in the light? Or would I blend into the dark? Just another broken spark.